Hi Komal. So finally, you have decided that you are going to leave us and enjoy your life. You are somewhere feeling bored, staying with us, working with us. I can understand that. But yes, I'm so happy for you that you are going to start your new life as going to get married soon, and as a reason you have decided to leave us. So congratulations for you for that, and also I'm a little sad that you're going to leave us. I still remember the day when I joined. You were the one who actually came to me and asked me if I need something. You were the one who actually helped me to tell me that okay, what is the company all about, what is the process that I am going to be part of. Because neither I still remember Manish wasn't there, nor Kshitij was. So you were the only one, and it is your nature that you always ready to help anybody. It's not your team members, but anybody whosoever you find that okay need any kind of a help. You do not ask that okay people actually ask you, but you upfrontly walk up to them and provide them the help. So all the best for your future. But yes, we all will miss you a lot. Please enjoy your life. Enjoy every moment of your life, and keep in touch. Do not miss to invite us in your wedding. All the best to you. Bye.
Hi Komal, hope you are doing good. So I've decided to move on. Well, it's really feel sad that you are going. You're leaving Alliance partner, and you are also the most tenured person of our team. Well, since you have already decided that you are moving on and moving on further in your life, uh, best of luck for your future endeavor and congratulations for your new life which are going to start soon.
Hi Komal. Who thought when we were entering lockdown that the next time that we join office, we will find the charm of the MM Bay, the first seat empty? Trust me, Komal, we all will miss you very, very much after we join office. For me personally, you have been the face of MM since I joined office more than 3 years back. Back then, it was a very small team of you, me, Kshitij, and Deepak sitting outside Manish's cabin. So I remember for a lot of things, I used to reach out to you and you used to guide me. Wishing you a great, great life ahead and a very, very successful one. And all the very best for the upcoming wedding. And a personal note from Tapo, while I was preparing to make this video, he said that I should pass on his message to you as well, that we will really miss the parties, the wonderful parties that you hosted at your place. I hope that once this entire corona situation is over, we are able to once again get together at your place. All the very best.
Hey, hi Komal, how are you? I think everything is fine at your end. So finally the day has been arrived so fast. I mean, we never wished that this day would come so fast, but finally it had come. It came basically. So just want to congratulate you for moving into your next phase of life, and wherever you go, you may reach to the epitome of success, prosperity, and a healthy life. And so, just want to wish you a very good luck for all your future endeavors. And coming to a few things, I want to reminisce about the time that we spent together in office, especially, and few things that we're going to definitely miss about you. And the first one, and the first and foremost of all those things, is that your infectious sneeze. I mean, that was, one in a million sneeze, and it should be patented. Yeah, it should be patented. You heard it right. So apart from that, the next thing that I the next thing that I basically liked about you was that your, I mean, the way you greet us, basically, that good morning, Vivek. I mean, I can't mimic that, but that was that. I mean, when you just step in the office in the morning, and the first time somebody greets you and you reciprocate back in such a way, it's quite amazing. It's sort of refreshing. Like, just you had a green tea or a lemon tea. You get that refreshness. I got that refreshness from the way you greeted us, and that was fabulous. That was also, you know quite unique. And secondly, I guess thirdly, two things I've already said. So thirdly, I remember that monologue. I mean, the speech that when you said at Knuckles flat, at, yeah, especially we're gonna miss you at our flat parties also. I forgot to mention about this thing. So your monologue speech that you gave, I didn't understand anything, because at that time I was not there. I was in the washroom. So uh, at Knuckle flat, your monologue, it was in Punjabi, and I wish I could ask you to repeat it one more time, but I just let it go. So that was something wonderful, that monologue speech in Punjabi. So just, and finally the sort of breaks in office. So we talked about this, we talk about that, we talk about him, we talk about her, and a lot of things we talked about, and it was a refreshing time that we spent together. So you're a quite jovial person, and the best thing is that you never get old. You're always sweet 18, and I pray to God that you always be sweet 18. And apart from that, you know uh, you are a good leader, especially you're a good mentor, because when I was new in office, and whenever I required something from product team, especially from your health assistant package or your health product, any information that I required, you always assisted me. And if that thing was not with you, you always guided me that you can consult his, I mean, that or this person, from which you can get relevant data, relevant insights, so that it might be helpful for you. So that was wonderful. I mean, you were always there for helping us, either me or my teammates in Proposal Factory, or in my teammates in marketing management. So apart from being a jovial and enjoyable person, you were a hardworking person also. I saw you many times staying back in the office working, so that was inspiring for us also. And just want to wish you, again, just want to wish you a good luck for your future, and may you reach, and may you get whatever you want from your life God gives you. Just pray to God. Thank you so much for being a wonderful colleague, and thank you so much for being with us. And hope we be in touch. Hope we will be in touch, basically. So thank you so much.
Hi Komal, hope you're doing great as always, and would like to take this time to congratulate you on your amazing time at Allianz. During this time, you have been extremely professional, hardworking, and great to work with. Not just that, I would like to actually say that you have been a fantastic colleague and a great friend and guide for me. You always had time to listen and were always approachable for any problem. Also, it was also great at planning out all those harmless pranks with you. uh, I would like to wish you good luck on your journey, both professionally and personally, and hope the new chapter in your life brings you all the more laurels than you have already achieved. Do keep in touch and hope to meet you soon.
Thank you so much for all your support and goodwill you have shown over the years. We all are going to miss you a lot. Um Wishing you a great success in your life and your career. Stay happy and stay healthy. Take care.
Hi Komal, congratulations on your new phase in life. I really had fun while working and also during the office breaks with you. So all the best and stay in touch.